Hey folks, we're back, and with me in the studio today is Jerry Norton from Equity Services. Jerry, welcome
Great
back.
to be here.
I'm really excited to have Jerry with us today because he's got some incredible news for Detroit, Metro Detroit, and also some investors out there who are looking to really cash in on some phenomenal deals that have been kind of under the radar. And Jerry's a specialist at making these things happen. So
Yeah, you know, Detroit has been just a great area to invest in. It's really now starting to get some national publicity. You're starting to see some real news of investors coming into Detroit from all over the place and buying these properties. So it's really a phenomenal opportunity right now to be here.
oh, that's great. And I know that Michigan is actually doing some pretty cool things as far as the economy and what they're investing in. If you've been following the papers recently, you know about the recent entertainment industry that's moving into our area.
Yeah, you know, it's pretty interesting because Detroit for a while here with our automotive industry has been getting some real negative publicity with our economy. And there's no doubt our economy is struggling here, but there are some great things happening. I mean, right now Michigan is offering a 42% tax incentive for movie companies to come in here. And we're starting to see some big movie production companies come into Michigan investing. In fact, in Pontiac, Michigan, Motown Motions just bought the a GM facility, you know, a 1 million square foot building. They're going to invest $70 million into this building, and it's going to bring in 5,000 jobs. Just that one company coming into Michigan. So that's exciting. And, you know, also, it's neat to see that Michigan's investing in the biotechnology industry, the alternative energy industry, and these are some fields that in the future are going to really be some hot fields for our country.
Absolutely. That's exciting because there's a lot of change happening in our state.
And you know, the neat thing is investors, they're seeing right now that the market is down, but that's really the time when you get in.
Mm-hmm.
So now's the time to buy, and Michigan's a perfect spot for that because you can buy right now, values are down, rock bottom. Now you hold on to that property for the long haul, and we don't know really exactly how long it's going to take, but if we're looking at the things that are coming into Michigan, over time things are going to turn around and that property will probably double or even triple in value as time goes on. So if you can get in now at the right time, now is the right time to get in.
And this is the right guy to see too because they're doing some phenomenal things.
Yeah.
And I think your whole process, I'm just stunned with your process. It's pretty fluid. You got a lot of great dynamics happening.
Yeah, well, you know, in the past 2 years we've done 150 properties, so we've really kind of perfected the system. And so, you know, we can acquire these properties, we can get them fully renovated, and then we sell these things at phenomenal rates too, Ted.
That's great. And folks, we got a couple clips here behind us today of some of the properties that Jerry and his crew have actually put together. And let's just kind of take a look at some of these.
Yeah, we really document this process pretty well because we want our investors to see what all's going into these properties. I mean, these aren't splash and dash. We're not just throwing some carpet and paint in these homes. We're really going all out and renovating these homes.
I mean, you do everything from the plumbing to the basement, the outside, the exterior.
Yeah,
So much detail goes into your pieces.
Yeah, we're doing all new plumbing, all new electrical, hardwired smoke detectors, roofs, siding, windows, you know, porches, doors, really new kitchens, baths. You know, we put a lot of ceramic tile in our homes. So we really make these things, you know, in essence, bulletproof so that an investor who buys this property can hold on to that property for a while until they're ready to cash in.
That's awesome. Folks, we're going to have Jerry come back and tell us some more interesting things about his properties and how you can find them online. But real quickly, here's his website address.
Here it is, www.equityservicesllc.com. And you really want to go on there and check it out. We've got a lot of information. You can go on there and you can click on the different links and really gather some good information about what we do, what our properties are all about.
That's great. All right. Thanks, Jerry, for coming on.
And glad to have me again.
Yeah.
Thanks.
We'll see you folks online.